Imagine, now you are riding in a bicycle. A dog came suddenly in front of you. At the situation, what you will do? Yes, I know. First, you will apply your brakes and stop the bicycle. Simultaneously, your heartbeat increases. Let's analyze the situation in a scientific manner. When you are seeing a dog and suddenly stopping the cycle in a fraction of seconds, it means there must be a coordination system present and between your hands and eyes, and simultaneously your heartbeat also increases. Have you ever thought of it? Why this is happening? How our body is responding to these actions? Yes, let's reveal this mystery in this video. Hi guys, my name is Avinash from RI Minds. Guys, let's dive into control and coordination to know how our body responds to stimulus, what all systems coordinate to complete action. Let's see it in detail. If we see something is moving, it is a sign of life. These movements are differentiated into two types: growth dependent movement and growth independent movement. Growth dependent movement, it means it depends on the growth. For example, a seed is germinating and a plant is growing. Growth independent movement. Growth independent movement means which is independent of growth. For example, a cat is running, a dog is jumping the wall, and child is playing. These are all the movements which are independent of the growth. In my point of view, movements are the attempts by an organism to use changes in their environment of their advantage. Let us assume a situation. You are ironing a cloth with a hot iron box. Suddenly it touches the hot iron box. What you will do? Yes. First you will immediately take off your hand from the iron box. This is an action performed by your body to protect yourself from the hot iron. In human coordination of body and actions are maintained by nervous and muscular skeleton system. Let's recall the situation of when we touch the hot iron box. The signals are sent to the CNS via cranial nervous system receptors present in our hand. These receptors are the sense organs of our body. The sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These organs, which consisting of receptors and which helps to detect the changing in the environment. These are carried by a well developed nervous system. Yes, our human body nervous system consisting of two parts. One is CNS and another one is PNS. Let's see it. CNS consisting of brain and spinal cord, where PNS consisting of nerves which are associated to the CNS. Let's take one small situation to understand the difference between CNS and PNS and it works. For example, there is something is happened which changing in the environment happens in our body, which is detected by the some of the receptors in our body. These receptors sends the information to the PNS. This PNS transmits the information towards the CNS. Now, with this information, the brain analyzes the situation and get decision, and the decision again brain sends some signals towards the CNS. CNS transmits the signals towards the PNS. PNS carried out the signals towards the organ to respond. Brain is the major coordination organ of our body, and brain helps us to think and take decisions. Brain sends the information and signals towards the organs. It helps to control and coordinate the voluntary actions of our body. Now, brain sends the information towards the organs via PNS. To do all these actions and analyzing the input and output data of our body, brain requires many parts. Brain consisting of three major parts: front brain, midbrain, and hindbrain. There is a other system other than PNS and CNS. It is hormones. Hormones are the chemical substances which are released from the glands. These hormones which are act faster and it affects a large area. Now, let us assume a situation to understand the action of a hormone. Now, you are jumping from a tall building or from an aeroplane. At that situation, your heartbeat increases and your respiration rate also increases. It is due to the adrenaline hormone. When we touch a touching plant, we observe it folds and it drops. We know that plant doesn't contain a nervous system. Then how these movements are going on? Yes, the plants doesn't have a nervous system, but it has a coordination among its organs by chemical reactions. Yes, the plant have chemicals and phytohormones which helps to bring a coordination between the plant and its plant body.